Hello. So what I have open here is the Manage Boards page. So like Whiteboard.Chat/manage, or whenever you click on Manage Boards, it comes up to this page. So how do we use this and what's important about what's on this page? So on this page, it'll show you any boards that you have ever created. If you're on the basic plan, you can have up to 10 boards here, okay, at any one time. Now, you'll notice that next to the board name, it has like a date when it was modified, when it's expiring, and then you have 3 different symbols here. So you notice like it expires basically after a few days, okay, after 4 days or something like that. Like you created these boards today, expires on a week or 7 days, something like that, okay? Now, if you want to keep that board for longer and you don't want to download it or whatever, you click on this little, it looks like a, I don't know, like a little time machine. I see, look, it says refresh entire classes expiry. So you can refresh the expiry so it has another week, okay, if you don't want to download the board. If you want to open the board, you need to click on that eyeball, okay? Click on the eyeball, it'll open up the board for you. If you want to delete it, you just click on the trash can. You'll notice that this one has a plus sign next to it, this one does not. The plus sign means that I have already opened this board before and also invited participants. So if I click on this plus sign, I'll see all the different students that joined this particular board. So I had 4 different students that joined this particular board. Okay, and when they last modified it and when they are expiring. All right. Those are the big things there. Now, if you have a lot of boards, you want to organize them, okay, you do have this option to add a folder. Okay, you might say maybe grade 9 maths, whatever it is. And you can click and drag your boards into that folder if you want to put it in there, okay, to help organize your boards. So hopefully that helps there. You do have an option for community boards. If you click on there, there's a bunch of boards that other educators have created, and you can go and have a look at them, you can check them, you can make a copy of them. There's a bunch of different, quite a huge array, okay, of different boards, different themes. You can have a search, okay, if you like. But those are the 2 main things in here. So checking out your boards, checking the expiry date, okay, especially if you're on the basic plan, just making sure they're not expiring. Otherwise you can download the board and re-upload it when you feel like it. But hopefully that makes sense, okay? Just take an eye when it's expiring. All right, and the eyeball means if you want to just open up the particular board, right? Bye for now.